Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, September 25, 2020 on our channel. Let's go. First news today. Carrier China unveils 6,000 RT capacity water-cooled chiller performance testing lab. Yileng Carrier Air Conditioning Equipment Company, Limited, Carrier China, officially unveiled its 6,000 RT capacity water-cooled chiller performance testing lab at its new manufacturing location in Baoshan Industrial Park, Shanghai. The testing lab is now one of the largest of its kind in China and will test Carrier chillers with up to 6,000 RT capacity for customers. Representatives from Shanghai Baoshan District, Shanghai Baoshan Industrial Park, Shanghai Municipal Electric Power Company and North Power Supply Branch and other distinguished guests attended the official launch ceremony and witnessed the milestone completion of the project. The ARI and GMPI certified 6,000 RT water-cooled chiller performance testing lab can provide both 50 Hz/60 Hz power and support to high-voltage applications, meeting different customer requirements across vertical segments and regions. The new lab will be able to test 2,000 to 6,000 RT capacity range water-cooled chillers to support a wide range of commercial and industrial HVAC solutions and applications. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. E Hall CO2 system installed at food processor. A new low-carbon CO2 refrigeration system from E Hall is helping a leading food processor expand production, cut global warming emissions, and meet the challenge of the F-gas regulation step-downs. To cope with the growing demand for its meat and fish products, Campbell's has built a new freezer room at its processing plant at Linlithgow near Edinburgh. A temperature of around -18 degrees Celsius keeps products in perfect condition before they are sold to customers. Two 20-kilowatt E Hall CO2 refrigeration packs support the freezer room to ensure that temperatures are maintained at the correct temperature. The F-gas regulation is having an increasing effect on the food processing industry and forcing installers and end users to switch to low global warming potential refrigerants. CO2 is a natural refrigerant with zero global warming potential, which makes it a good choice for the food processing industry. CO2 has a wide temperature range, which also makes it a versatile refrigerant. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Datacenter Experience, Germany, 2020. Stulz invite you to join us at the Datacenter Experience again this year. Due to the worldwide corona pandemic, company decided to make the roadshow digital. The first date of the roadshow will be from September 23, 2020 to 24 with Mainova as host. The current situation around COVID-19 is a major challenge for companies worldwide. Stulz inform you in detail about what you need to consider when planning, building and operating a data center. In this roadshow, you can expect exciting presentations on the current data center issues. Our colleague Frank Troutman will also give a lecture on the topic air conditioning technology yesterday, today, tomorrow, how has Corona changed the world of services in data centers. More information about the event on the Data Center Experience website, in German. Register for free date of the digital event. September 23, 2020 to 24. Frankfurt/Main, Germany. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. SWEP at Chillventa eSPECIAL 2020. Meet the SWEP team at the Chillventa eSPECIAL on October 13 to 15 and see how heat exchangers can improve the efficiency of your system. Get your free Chillventa eSPECIAL voucher from SWEP. Learn more about customized evaporators and condensers for low GWP refrigerants and high-pressure units for transcritical CO2 applications, further optimized products for heat pumps, and our new online selection software Thermx. Supplemented by high-performance, efficient and durable heat exchangers for free cooling, ground and river water. We are here to discuss the latest developments with you, and to work together on a more efficient and sustainable future. To get your free voucher ticket from SWEP, please visit chillventa.swep.net. Learn more about the show here. Fifth news today. TCUK now stocking chillers, air handlers and fan coils to facilitate fast-track UK projects. Toshiba Carrier UK Limited, TCUK, is now stocking popular ranges of Carrier chillers and fan coil units, FCUs, plus chat air handling units, AHUs, and FCUs, for next-day delivery across the UK to facilitate fast-track projects. TCUK's new rapid response service includes Carrier's Aqua Snap 30 RBS range of chillers, available in capacities from 40 kV to 160 kilowatts, and Idrofen 42 NH ducted FCUs and 42 gigawatts cassettes, plus Chat's Floway AHUs, Comfortline ducted FCUs and Melody cassettes. Delivery lead times are often a key issue for installers and end users, said Paul Smith, TCUK Sales Director for Applied Products. Our new stocking policy enables us to provide customers with a super quick response to urgent orders, with next-day delivery of our most popular models across the UK, subject to stock levels and terms and conditions. The initiative complements the company's long-standing DX air conditioning stock offering on Toshiba variable refrigerant flow VRF and split systems. Finished chillers, AHUs and FCUs will now be stocked at the company's locations in Plymouth and Stockport, giving customers quick access across the country. Read more the news on our website today. 6th News Today. Consolidated revenues of CAREL a decline of 3.6%. The Board of Directors of CAREL has approved the results as of June 30, 2020. Consolidated revenues amounted to Euro 161.0 million, compared to Euro 166.9 million in the period ended June 30, 2019, marking a slight decline of 3.6%. This decline was entirely due to the effects of the lockdown in China and the shutdown of the group's Italian production hub, located in Brugine, Padua, following the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. Francesco Nalini, Group Chief Executive Officer, commented, "We are proud to present results that, despite the unprecedented scenario we experienced in the first half of the year, are not far from those reported in 2019. This is in relation to revenues, which came in at the high end of the guidance range previously given by the group, single-digit % decline, and in terms of profitability, substantially in line with that recorded at December 31, 2019. This enabled considerable cash flows of approximately Euro 18 million to be generated from operating activities. These results highlight the group's ability to react swiftly and highly effectively to exceptional adverse scenarios and the resilience assured by its diversification both at the geographical level and in terms of its business portfolio. Within such a challenging scenario, a fundamental role was played by technological mirroring, i.e., the strategic decision to replicate production processes at various facilities, which enabled production of certain product families to be relocated rapidly from plants affected by lockdown measures to their fully operational counterparts, thus reducing the inconvenience for our clients. In any event, the backlog accumulated during the lockdown was largely handled in June, and a residual part in July. Innovation, commitment, and a focus on the client will remain the key elements of our strategy in the second half of such a challenging year. Read more the news on our website today. 7th News Today. Carrier introduces variable speed WeatherExpert commercial rooftop units featuring EcoBlue technology. Carrier is pleased to announce that its WeatherExpert line of rooftop units now includes the variable speed 48JC gas/electric and 50JC electric/electric models designed to vary cooling capacity down to 25% and up to 105% of normal capacity. The units boast impressive SEER ratings up to 20.0 and feature innovative EcoBlue technology. The 4850JC units are the products of extensive research and development designed to harness the power of variable speed technology in order to achieve the features and benefits of the WeatherExpert line. They are available in 3-phase voltage and come in 3, 4 and 5 ton sizes. In addition, these new models have the industry's smallest rooftop footprint and lightest weight for this type of equipment, furthering their ideal fit for both new construction and replacement jobs. Most notable of EcoBlue technology's many features is the exclusive beltless direct drive vane axial fan system, an industry first for rooftop units when introduced in 2018. This patented technology replaces traditional belts, pulleys, and forward curve fans with a simpler, more compact design, all with 75% fewer moving parts. The outdoor fan system's high-density composite blade fan is also an exclusive design. Both fans are dynamically balanced for quieter operation. Other technological advances that differentiate these units include the intelligent, intuitive and integrated system VU controls and coil technology that uses proven round tube, plate fin designs, increased factory options and a toolless filter access door. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Clivet presented new centrifugal chiller HFO. WCH's series is the new water-cooled liquid chiller for indoor installation, with HFO R1234Z refrigerant, supplied with horizontal back-to-back centrifugal compressor with inverter regulation. WCH's series is available from 810 kilowatts up to 1,600 kilowatts and is the most technologically advanced solution available on the market, able to propose seasonal efficiency values up to 9,64. The use of R1234Z refrigerant, with a very low GWP, global warming potential less than 1, guarantees a quite zero environmental impact, making it the best choice for all future-oriented systems that are looking for an eco-friendly solution. The technical solutions adopted place WCH's on top of its category, the exclusive patented horizontal back-to-back centrifugal compressor, the economizer which further increases the efficiency by 6%, the falling film evaporator which reduces the refrigerant charge by 40% compared to a flooded exchanger, the capacity modulation with the inverter, guarantee efficient and reliable operation of the unit at any application condition. Read more the news on our website today. 9th News Today. At Chillventa eSPECIAL, Embraco brings new solutions for food retail and food service applications. Embraco, a global provider of technology for the complete domestic and commercial cold chain, and part of the Nidec global appliance portfolio of brands, will present at Chillventa eSPECIAL, from October 13 to 15, its new solutions for food retail and food service applications, including compressors and condensing units, CDU. This year the trade show will be digital, due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Our presence in the event has been fully adapted to the new format. Our experts will be online to interact with people wherever they are and to present our innovative solutions for any application in commercial refrigeration, says Gilmer Paravano, Business Senior Manager at Nidec Global Appliance, responsible for Embraco commercial products portfolio in the EMEA, Europe, Middle East and Africa region. CDU's portfolio launch. Read more the news on our website today. 10th News Today. Thermo King by Trane Technologies launches cold storage solutions to support COVID-19 vaccine distribution. Thermo King, by Trane Technologies, a global climate innovator, has expanded its portfolio of temporary storage solutions that can meet the unique requirements of global pharmaceutical companies developing COVID-19 vaccines. Thermo King is the global leader in intelligent end-to-end temperature-controlled cold chain solutions. Pharmaceutical companies in final-stage clinical trials anticipate they will require strict temperature controls to safeguard their products, down to temperatures as low as -70 degrees Celsius. Thermo King solutions can enable these companies and their distributors to ensure the efficacy of their products through the entire cold chain, from air transport to marine, rail, trailer, last-mile delivery and at storage points along the way. According to the World Health Organization, nearly 20% of temperature-sensitive healthcare products are damaged during transport, and 25% of vaccines reach their destination in a degraded state due to breaks in the cold chain. Read more the news on our website today. 11th News Today. AHR Expo releases update for 2021 show planning. The original planned show dates of January 25 to 27, 2021 are postponed. AHR Expo, ASHRAE and ARI continue to explore the feasibility of hosting the event March 15 to 17, 2021, however, no final decisions have been made. A final decision regarding the in-person hosting of the 2021 AHR Expo will be announced on or before October 15, 2020. AHR Expo show management today announced the postponement of the original planned show dates of January 25 to 27 for the 2021 AHR Expo in Chicago. Both McCormick Place and Choose Chicago, an organization dedicated to bringing visitors to Chicago, recognize how vital the show is to the city and have offered show management the dates of March 15 to 17, 2021 to host the HVACR industry. In a survey conducted by AHR Expo, the proposed move to March is preferred by nearly 80% of exhibitors and attendees. The decision to postpone the original planned January dates was difficult, however. The AHR Expo, ASHRAE and ARI are encouraged about hosting a live event in March and continue to explore feasibility. A final decision will be announced no later than October 15, 2020. Read more the news on our website today. 12th News Today. Danfoss introduces variable speed VZH compressor management. Danfoss has upgraded its MCX15B and MCX20B controllers with the introduction of the MCX15B2 and MCX20B2 controllers. Both models combine best-in-class connectivity, security, and performance with improved compressor control logic for VZH inverter scroll compressors. Danfoss MCX15B2 and MCX20B2 controllers provide several key benefits that mitigate the industry's most common pain points when designing connected HVAC systems and smart buildings. These new controllers go beyond and deliver embedded connectivity, stronger web security, and enhanced performance. To advance web server and TCP protocol connectivity, the MCX15B2 and MCX20B2 controllers are Ethernet-enabled with web server features and Modbus/TCP protocol, can bus as a field bus towards other controllers, remote user interfaces, up to 2 Modbus RS485 opto-isolated serial interface, and USB access for easy software uploading and data logging. Read more the news on our website today. 13th News Today. The year contributes to the review of EU F-gas regulation. The year has responded to the European Commission consultation Fluorinated Greenhouse Gases, Review of EU Rules, 2015-20, which aims to collect opinions and suggestions about the update of the F-gas regulation, EU, No. 517/2014. The International Institute of Refrigeration, IIR, has consulted its Science and Technology Council and all its Commission members in the various year member countries who are experts in the fields of refrigerants, including their use in all applications, refrigeration and cold chain, air conditioning, heat pumps, cryogenics. They all consider that the F-gas regulation is a major success and that we must continue to apply the quota reduction program and the refrigerants bans as previously decided, until 2030. This shouldn't be done any slower, since it seems possible to continue the phase down of HFCs as scheduled, nor faster since, in addition to illegal trade issues, priority must now be given to the energy efficiency of equipment and whole systems such as buildings or vehicles. Faster phase down would certainly lead to less energy efficient solutions. In addition, clear and stable regulations are necessary to give confidence and enable intelligent investment planning. The refrigeration sector accounts for about 20% of global electricity consumption, and this share is steadily increasing. See year, IEA and UNEP publications. Indirect CO2 emissions due to electricity consumption are twice as high as the direct impact of refrigerants. Read more the news on our website today. News Today. LAUDA has now completed a cryogenic cooling system for use in a pharmaceutical freeze-drying plant. LAUDA, the world market leader for temperature control equipment and systems, has been manufacturing customer-specific refrigeration systems for pharmaceutical companies for more than 50 years. The company has now completed a cryogenic cooling system for use in a pharmaceutical freeze-drying plant. This enables pharmaceutical substances to be gently frozen at -80 degrees Celsius. The order was placed by Martin Christ Gefriertrocknungsanlagen GmbH, one of the world's leading freeze-dryer companies with more than 70 years of experience in this field. Martin Christ relies on the expertise of LAUDA for the reliable provision of the deep freeze environment. A Cryopack secondary circuit unit from LAUDA Heating and Cooling Systems, the plant construction division of the temperature control specialist, which plans and manufactures exactly according to customer requirements, provides the requisite cooling capacity. Read more the news on our website today. News Today. Star Refrigeration is one of the main sponsors of the Cold Chain Live. Star Refrigeration is one of the main sponsors of a month-long online event organized by the Cold Chain Federation, the voice of the UK's temperature-controlled logistics industry. Cold Chain Live. Towards a Net Zero Cold Chain will feature live webinars, interviews and workshops running throughout next month. Starting on October 2, 2020, the virtual conference examines issues and innovations in the cold storage and distribution industry, including the what, how and when of net zero. Each week of the 4-week event is themed around a topical cold chain industry issue, defining net zero, adapting to change, the future of transport and the cold chain ecosystem. As well as being one of the main sponsors of Cold Chain Live. Experts from the STAR team will be presenting webinars and leading discussion sessions during the conference. STAR Refrigeration Group Sales and Marketing Director Rob Lamb says, "We are excited to be working in partnership with the Cold Chain Federation for this unique online event. The STAR team is looking forward to demonstrating how refrigeration technology is assisting the current drive towards a greener and more energy-efficient cold chain." Read more the news on our website today. News today. SWEP expands its successful 250S range. SWEP widens the application reach of the 250S product family. The 250S range, which is aimed for high-efficiency reversible chiller and heat pump applications, is now extended with yet another single-circuit evaporator. The all-new V250S targets reversible chillers applications with higher temperature approach. SWEP's 250S range was launched in 2016 and is still the leading technology in its class, covering an operating range from 80 to 250 kilowatts. The range, which also includes the F250S and P250S evaporators and the B250S condenser, is specially developed for high-efficiency air or water-cooled reversible chiller and heat pump applications. The large ports combined with the ASSI matrix plate pattern improves heat transfer while decreasing water pressure drop and refrigerant charge. The range can be used with a majority of the current high-pressure refrigerants. With the added V250S, the application reach becomes even greater. This new BPHE, brazed plate heat exchanger, is an excellent choice for medium to low efficiency applications where the pressure drop over the distribution device needs to be low. Read more the news on our website today. News today. GEA sells compressor manufacturer Bock to NORD Holding. As part of its continued focus on strategic core markets, the food, beverages and pharmaceutical industries, Düsseldorf-based technology group GEA is selling the compressor manufacturer Bock, which is in GEA's Refrigeration Technologies division, to NORD Holding. The purchase agreement was signed yesterday. The parties have agreed not to disclose the financial details of the transaction. The transaction remains subject to regulatory clearance. Closing of the transaction is expected in early 2021. We are pleased to have found a new owner for Bock in NORD Holding. It is our firm conviction that NORD Holding will develop Bock's business potential as a producer of commercial compressors mainly for use in stationary and transport-related cooling applications in the best possible way. In GEA's Refrigeration Technologies division, we will concentrate in the future on our industrial compressors business. Our portfolio here includes customized solutions for the optimum use of waste heat, enabling our customers to operate their production facilities ever more sustainably or even become carbon neutral, commented Stefan Klebert, CEO of GEA Group Aktiengesellschaft. Read more the news on our website today. News today. Shecco to hold first virtual Atmosphere America conference. Shecco, producer of atmosphere events on natural refrigerants around the world over the past decade, will be holding its first virtual Atmosphere America conference on October 20th to 22nd, allowing speakers, sponsors and attendees to participate safely during the COVID-19 pandemic. The first 2 days of the conference will focus on trends in natural refrigerant technologies in the North American market. The last day will cover, for the first time at an Atmosphere America, developments in the Latin American market, including Mexico, Central America, and South America. Shecco has held annual Atmosphere America conferences at physical locations since 2012. The conference attracts hundreds of stakeholders dealing with natural refrigerant systems, including end users, contractors, manufacturers, consultants, engineers, architects, policymakers, academics, NGOs, and more. We believe that by doing this year's Atmosphere America online, we will be able to deliver the same high-quality content that our HVAC and our community has come to know, while ensuring everyone's safety, said Mark Chassarat, CEO of Shecco. Read more the news on our website today. News today. Chillventa eSPECIAL, interview with Petra Wolf. From 13 to October 15, 2020, the International Refrigeration, AC, Ventilation and heat pumps sector will come together online for the Chillventa eSPECIAL. In this interview, Petra Wolf from the Nürnberg Mess Management Board gives us a preview of the event. How is the Chillventa eSPECIAL being received by the sector? Petra Wolf: we are currently still in the acquisition phase, but at this point we are pleased with progress so far. Particularly in the current circumstances, there is a strong need within the industry for networking and dialogue, and the Chillventa eSPECIAL offers the ideal platform for this. The exclusive partner contingent, for example, is almost fully booked, so anyone still wanting to access this package will have to be quick. The ticket shop for participants has been open for a few days now and is also attracting a lot of interest. Do you think that the Chillventa eSPECIAL is a good substitute for an on-site event, and are there perhaps even aspects of it that you plan to adopt for Chillventa 2022? Read more the news on our website today. News today. BITZER Web Forum on 29 and 30th of September. It has been 2 years since the last publication of the BITZER Refrigerant Report. Now the 21st issue will be released. To mark the occasion, everything at BITZER will revolve around the topic of refrigerant on 29 and 30th of September. The specialist for refrigeration and air conditioning technology will bring together its distinguished experts for a live public discussion in German and English. Volker Stamer, director of the Schäufler Academy, will moderate and host the live BITZER Web Forum, discussing proven, new and alternative refrigerants with refrigerant experts Hermann Renz, Technical Programs Manager, Dr. Heinz Jorgensen, Director of Application Engineering and Product Performance, and Julian Pfaffel, Head of Product Performance. The audience will have the opportunity to ask questions via live chat. At the Schäufler Academy, which is the international in-house BITZER training center in Rotenburg-Ergenzingen, Volker Stamer attaches great importance to refrigerants and their handling as one of the central topics of seminars and training courses. Choosing the right refrigerant plays a key role in determining whether systems are efficient, environmentally friendly, future-proof and effective. With its extensive product portfolio, BITZER offers the right solution for any application and advises users in their search for the optimal refrigerant. The Schäufler Academy adapted the concept of in-person events months ago due to the corona pandemic and has since offered training courses also as webinars. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.